The ability to innovate, develop, and manufacture in the defense sector is now a strategic priority in Spain and across Europe. At Indra Group, we are clear about this, and we have embarked on a determined path to build a strong, competitive, and sovereign industry with a European outlook and deep local roots. In Spain and beyond our borders, our industrial and technological footprint impact have continued to grow. We have strengthened our engineering and production capabilities to cover everything from nanometric components to complete structures. We have automated high-volume manufacturing processes and incorporated state-of-the-art SMD technology, enhancing our capacity and efficiency. We are expanding our industrial and technological footprint across our entire geography, aiming to quadruple it between 2024 and 2027, while progressively integrating a strong network of specialized national suppliers. But this is not only about growing fast, it is also about growing with excellence. We aim to develop the best products, meeting the highest standards of quality and reliability, with a strong commitment to milestone delivery and customer service. We are building factories ready for today, but designed with a long-term vision to become leading European hubs for innovation and technical talent, and symbols of digitalized, efficient, and sustainable reindustrialization. Driven by our intelligent platform, IndraMind, we implement full traceability of the production process and integrate advanced Industry 5.0 technologies, such as advanced use of artificial intelligence and predictive models. We also incorporate eco-design, digital twins, rapid prototyping, and collaborative robotics. At Indra Group, we know that this expansion and rapid industrial evolution will be strategic pillars in building sovereign industry and technology, both today and in the future. Indra Group.